Robin is home. Hi, Bucky. Guys, as Robin come home, she says she's hungry. It's a good thing I made a soup.
No, soup.
It's soup, dumpling, and chicken.
No.
What do you want then? She's going to show me what she wants. What's in there?
Complex.
So you don't want the soup? I cook nice soup, you know?
Sorry.
Didn't I just put you down to sleep? How are you up already? Bear? So it's she's crying for her tummy. Bear, baby. She's crying for her tummy. I noticed last night she poo twice after midnight, so maybe around 1 a.m. and then about like 4 a.m. That never usually happen. And I think she's trying again. So I don't have any mint. I made some soup I gave to her not too long ago. I made that for lunch. I don't have any mint, but I've just picked some lime leaf that I'm gonna try to see if I can give to her, because the soup and then the milk not helping. And I don't have any tummy, I don't have any griping medicine for her, because she don't normally have that issue. I don't have any griping medicine, because that would really do well. So it's a night routine that I actually wanted to do, but based on all that's going on right now, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope you find it enjoyable and interesting. All right, so Rob says she don't like soup, but even though she don't like soup, sometimes she will have it. She'll have just the dumplings and the chicken or whichever meat is in the soup. But today she did not want it at all, so she made a sandwich, egg sandwich. I assisted her, but I normally allow her to do as much as she can do, because she wants to help herself. She also mentioned that she got a note from school, so we checked, because I always ask if there's any homework or anything from teacher. So she mentioned there's a letter which indicates that there's Boys Day on Friday, so no girls are allowed, and she's excited about that. No. No. Why you chocolate? It's Dada. No, Dada. Mama.
Like mama?
Yes, Mama.
Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Mama.
What is it? Show Mommy. I'm coming. What is it, Raven? Oh my God, guys. Guys. What is under there? Oh my God, guys. You know how long I don't see the pussy? From Saturday, I don't see the pacifier.
I knew it was under there.
From Saturday, and Raven found her pussy, guys. I know it's not the time because she have the tummy ache and the gas, although she been crying and she kind of feel a little bit better right now because she's up and running and playing with sister. And she, I don't know what she looking for, and she look under the... Get it. Ask sister to get it, please. Please. So we have to wash it, okay? We have to wash it. We have to wash it, boo boo. Let mommy go wash it. Pussy, we gonna wash it. If I knew it was under there, I would have taken it. I searched for it all over. I've searched for it all over the place.
Uh-oh. Go to sleep now.
Turn off the light there. Come let me see what you say with the homework now. So it's 7:21 p.m. and this is what's going on. This is why I said I want to take the TV off the wall, because she loves to go right there and watch the TV, and she has to tilt her head all the way up. She's all clean and she's fed. She just had her tea. I'm just hoping that her tummy does not have any reaction, but so far she's playing, so fingers crossed, praying to God for tonight. Robsy is done with her homework and she is getting dressed. She showered and she's getting dressed. Robsy is very independent. She knows how to do her thing. She showers herself and she also, thank you, and she also get herself dressed, so mommy don't have to do all that. I was going to cook, guys. I didn't cook because right about the time when I was going to cook, then Raven started, going through her pain and all, and whenever she's like that, all that's required of me is to give her my undivided attention, and that I did do. So I did make soup earlier today, so I'm going to have what's left of it once they go to bed, because I just need to eat and shower without any interruption. So once they get in bed, I will just have my bath and have my soup, sit and relax for a little bit. I was going to cook kidney and rice for myself, because the girls, they're not going to eat kidney. So what I'm going to do is to season the kidney, because I just put it back in the fridge, in the bottom of the fridge, and I'm going to just season it and put it in the freezer so I can cook it maybe tomorrow or another day. Maybe I'll cook it tomorrow, and then I can do something else for them. I'll cook it tomorrow, and then I'll make some mac and cheese and some franks for them for tomorrow. So that's pretty much what our night is like. I cleaned up the floor, so I'm going to do dishes, shower. Yes, Jesus loved me. The Bible tells me so.
Now, Jesus.
Before I get into bed, which is most times at 11:30, which is also Raven's wake up period to be fed at night. So I always try to ensure that I make her tea and feed her even if she's sleeping, so that way she won't wake up immediately as I'm falling asleep, because that is going to give me a headache. So that's pretty much it for the night. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.